Hello, and welcome to a tutorial on how to create a new employee in Alloc8. First, we click on Contacts and then Create New Contact. Here, we enter the employee's necessary details, including first name, last name, and date of birth. Next, we add their position as well as the branch. Next, in Contact Types, we select Employee. Here, we tick the box to allow them to be allocated to tickets. This means when this box is checked, you'll be able to allocate this employee to jobs. Next, we also allow them access to Alloc8 Mobile. Here, we enter their employment status, skill level, and workforce participation, including their preferred communication method, and in this instance, it's email. This email that's provided will be the one that they use to log in to the mobile app. Next, we add their address. When scheduling jobs, this will allow you to filter employees by distance to jobs based on where they live. Next, we add their phone number so that they can be contacted at any time. And finally, a contact preference. Once all this is complete, press Create and Close, and you're all set.